Hi everyone, welcome back to Goms Tech Talks channel. I'm Dr. Gomati. We are in Business Central Functional Consultant 101 Mastering the Essentials course playlist. So we are exploring the basics of Business Central Functional Consultant. So here I have already discussed about these topics in the previous videos. So please check it if you have missed it out. And now today we are going to explore the Role Explorer to streamline your task. Okay, let us go to the Business Central page. Okay, this is the home page with Role Explorer. You can quickly identify all business features available from your role center. So, where is the Role Explorer? Here you can find it. Okay, so simply select here, click here. Click the three lines where it will take you to the Role Explorer. Okay, you can open this in two ways. Okay, either you can go here and select this, or else you can also press shift plus F12. Okay, it will take you to the Role Explorer. Okay, so to open the Role Explorer, you can also go and select here. Okay, so for example, we have the tell me option, right? So this is the search icon or a tell me option. Here you can say exploring pages and reports. You can also see this exploring pages and reports where it will take you to the same page, Role Explorer. Once you have selected the Role Explorer action, the Role Explorer page opens and it will show you the overview of all the business features that are available for your role center, which are displayed in a one page. Okay, so again I'm telling the role center page you can access from the my settings, where you can select the role. Based on the role, this will also change. Okay, based on the role, this will also change. So this is for a business manager. You can see here all these are for the business manager. If you wanted to change here and see, let us change here to accountant. Okay, and click OK. Let us see what are the role which are for an accountant as well. So each element on this Role Explorer page is an action that opens the page. Okay, let us just try to open that and see. Okay, so don't worry. So click on this. It will take you to the Accountant Role Explorer. So you can see only few options which are available. Okay, so if you select anything, for example, chart of accounts, so you can see what are the chart of accounts you have. This allows you to use the Role Explorer page to navigate the business center. You can also get an overview of the business features that are available for specific roles. Okay, so here you can see chart of accounts. So it is taking you to a different page. So if you go and select here, and if you select, you can see like what are the things for finance. If it is finance related, so what are the various list or record which you can analyze, you can see posted documents and everything. So let us just go back with the manager role itself so that we can explore some more options. I'm just going back to the business manager role and click OK, and let us see what are the other roles which are available here. Okay, so that we can see. Now let us click on this. Okay, and if you just go down, you can see various options, other options as well. Okay, so here these are all the things that is which you can directly view. And you have another option as well, explore more roles. So we will just click here, explore more roles. Here you can see for which role what are all the possible options which are available as well. So if you see, if it's a company role, he can see what are these things. Okay, you can see the business central section highlighted in the expanded view. Okay, you can see here, so how others like employees means what they can see, setup means what they can see. So all these options are available. Okay, if you wanted to see this, okay, everything, it is, you can just click here expand to see or everything in an expanded view, expand all. to see everything in an expanded view. So what these roles are and how what if, for example, if you are selecting the finance role, okay, so what they can see, okay, you can just scroll down and check that. So now let us go and select for the profile card, okay. If you just go and select here profiles, you have the profile role, right? You can just select the profile card where it will take you to the what are all the profile id which you have, okay. For example, accountant, so we are in the we are in the business manager, right? So this is what the business manager. So simply if you select there, it will show you that what is a profile id. It's a business manager, a display name, a descriptions, and you can see all the other options as well. So this is, we call it as a profile card page. We can configure whether to include the my business central section on the expanded role explorer card page or not, okay. Okay, so here you can see like what are all the things which are available. So role center id is 9022, and you can check the more options pay, more options you can see. Okay, so it is still working. So this is what the complete information about the roles, that is the role center. That is how you can see your profile page, whether it is added, whether it is created. So it is still working on it. So these are all the available role centers. So it is showing that, okay. So you can even go and if you wanted to customize this page, you can click customize where it will okay. So here you can find the customization. We will discuss about the customization later, where we can easily do it because it is also under the personalization. So here we can see that these are all the various options which are available for the profile, this specific profile. Okay, and if you click here fine, you can select if you wanted to see what are the reports which are available, which are available for you. So all these find options which are also available here. And you can also see, if you click here, you can see expand, expand, or collapse, collapse all, and everything. So this is all about the this specific topic, which is using the role explorer to streamline users task. Okay, so as we have completed the today's session, we will move on to the third module, okay, personalize the Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central user interface. And we will talk about the personalizing the Business Central user interface. So whatever we are covering, as I told, this specific tutorial series will discuss only the basics, okay. I'll not go very deeper into any topic, where you'll be understanding in the further course as well. So thank you, take care, bye bye.